the viewers, and what we got over here, it's a mini central unit company Iran, that we had a leak on gas, and we found the leak, we fixed it, it was inside, and now we are adding gas in the system, and our target superheat is 15.4, our actual superheat is 15.2. We have our thermocouples on a suction line and on a liquid line, our sensor that reads our outdoor temperature, and now we're gonna go inside, and we have one more over here. This is our unit, this reads our temperature on the return dock, and let's see how we're gonna perform.